Hello, future IITians and medicos. A day is not wasted when you learn something new. So, let us not waste our day and learn a wonderful concept on Doppler effect, which is equally important for your IIT and NEET preparation. Here we start, and by definition, Doppler effect is the apparent change in frequency due to relative motion between the source and the observer. Now, let us understand the concept of relative motion. When the source and the observer are both at rest, then there is no relative motion and no question of Doppler effect. Source and the observer move with the same velocity, again there is no relative motion and no question of Doppler effect again. If either the source or the observer are at rest and the other is in motion, then there is said to be relative motion and the Doppler effect can be applied. Otherwise, if the source and the observer are moving with different velocities, then again relative motion is obtained and then Doppler effect is applied for such condition. In Doppler effect, there are 6 different conditions with a formula for each condition. But I am coming up with a wonderful shortcut that can be applied for any of the conditions in Doppler effect. Here it comes. The single shortcut formula that can be applied for every condition in Doppler effect is this one, where n dash is apparent frequency, n is original frequency, v is velocity of sound in air, VO is velocity of observer and Vs is velocity of the sound source. Now, if the source and the observer approach each other, then apparent frequency increases. If the source and the observer depart each other, then the apparent frequency decreases. For the frequency to increase, as I said, if the source and the observer approach each other, the frequency increases. In such a condition, use plus in the numerator and minus in the denominator. Now, if the frequency is to decrease, that is, when the source and the observer move away from each other, then use minus in the numerator and plus in the denominator. Applying this short trick in this particular formula, n dash is equal to n into v plus or minus v naught by v plus or minus vs, all the 6 different conditions can be applied. Hope you have enjoyed this wonderful shortcut. Stay tuned to us to have a wonderful feast of shortcuts that can be applied in IIT and NEET. Thank you.